Danke bafethu, ya siyibonile Mamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bayinokhe out laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup, but-ke babuye nemali eserious ngempela laphana ku-FIFA Club World Cup. Asiyibali imali ababuye nayo bafethu. So laphana iMamelodi Sundowns ithole 174 million rand just for ukungena ku-FIFA Club World Cup, and then for i-win le abashaya team yase South Korea bathole 36 million rands, yabo. And then for i-group stage draw, le draw le yabo yasekugcineni against i-team yase Brazil bathole 18 million. So all in all imali abayiphethe labantu laba bafethu baphethe 228 million rands. Sazi ukuthi ama-player othola malini, nanokuthi lento le inika iMamelodi Sundowns upper hand ne-pedigree ngempela ukuthi amanye ama-teams angacompete, yabo. So yeah, so bona ukuthi isizini izoline up kanjani. This is gonna be difficult for ama-teams waku-PSL ukuthi acompete ne-team ekwazi ukwenza imali engaka, yabona kwamanye ama-tournament. Cabanga i-team yaku-PSL it's around 50 million rands ukuthenga i-status. Ukuyirana mhlampe you need around 5-6 million rand every month. iMamelodi Sundowns inamalini ngempela compared to amanye ama-team. Ngiyabona ukuthi i-gap ingakanani, but ngesiblame iMamelodi Sundowns is too ambitious. They go out there ku-Africa bayacommita, bafuna ukudlala ama-big tournaments, yeah, and then bane-owner ngempela eli-billionaire. So I think as much as bane-owner eli-billionaire eli-investe heavy for years and years and years, and then khathi bathola ngempela ama-results wa-Patrice Motsepe ukuthi u-invest imali eserious kuMamelodi Sundowns, nabo sibayakwazi ngempela ukwenza imali eserious kulama competitions lawa around the world, yabo. So they could have made much more bafowethu if like bakwazile ukuwina le match le against i-team yase-Brazil. Unfortunately abakwazanga ukuyiwina. Cabanga if Mamelodi Sundowns beyile laphana ku-round of 16 bafowethu, imali beyizoba ne-chance ngempela ukuthi yenze imali eserious kakhulu, but-ke abakwazanga ukuwina, nanokuthi-ke baye ku-round of 16 because i-round of 16 nje kuphela kuya ku-round of 16 bafethu bebazophezu kwale mali already abanayo, bebazothola 133 million rands just ukuqualifya i-round of 16. Kusho ukuthi bebazophatha close to 400 million, boma 300 and something million rands just ngokufika ku-round of 16, plus-ke nale mali le engiyibalile enye already abayiphethe bafethu. Hayi, Mamelodi Sundowns ibulela imali, but-ke buyani bafethu ku-PSL izovulwa vele in the next 2 months or month and a half or so, bese nikhumbule Mamelodi Sundowns. But-ke niyenzile imali. Hey guys, abafana bawuthola ama-bonus imalini engaka, and then umuntu ohola 20,000 30,000 ku-PSL kumele acompete nomuntu othola i-bonus lo 2 million 3 million. Kwaze kwanzima emhlabeni, but-ke danko kabuyelo masantawana.